Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Asma's Botany. Okay, so now we will understand about the allele or allelomorph. I have already described about the term gene, genetic inheritance, and the scientist name. Okay, then what is the allele, or it is also called as the allelomorph? Okay, so first of all, allele term was coined by Batson. Okay, then what is the allele? Every character is controlled by a gene. So a gene is responsible for every character. And the contrasting form. Contrasting means the opposite form. Contrasting means the opposite forms of a gene, of a single gene, is called as the allele or allelomorph. Okay. So, and all the diploid organisms have the two alleles of a gene. Okay. For example, for the gene for the color of flower, gene that is responsible the character color of flower has the two contrasting form of the gene, that is the alleles, that are called as the allele. So first allele is the red color. The allele is this. We denote this in the genetics by R, and it is responsible for the red color flowers, and this allele is responsible for the white color flower. Okay, and what is dominant and recessive, we will talk in the another in the later videos. Okay, and the second example, you can see gene for the height of plant. The plant is tall, then the gene is present, that is a tallness allele, is a capital T, and the dwarfness allele is a small t. So these are the contrasting form of a gene that are called as the alleles. And all the diploid organisms have the two alleles of a gene. So what is the meaning of this term diploid? So first of all, diploid, what is the difference between the diploid and the haploid? So haploid means we denote this by this N, and haploid means the unpaired chromosomes. As you can see, in the case of human beings, there are 23 paired chromosomes. But if we know this, that if they that are unpaired, so the condition is known as a haploid. Okay, unpaired chromosomes. What is the meaning of this unpaired? Unpaired means this is the one pair, second pair, third pair. These are the same pairs. Okay, so in this one pair, only one chromosome is present. The homologs are absent. But in the diploid case, we denote this by 2n. The paired chromosomes are present. So what is the meaning of this paired? Paired means in the one pair, homolog 1 and homolog 2 are present. So two chromosomes are present that are homologous to each other. That is called as the one pair in the case of diploid. But in the haploid, only one chromosome is present, no homologs are present. Homologs are absent, that is called as the haploid. Okay. So in the diploid organism case, two alleles of a gene are present. Okay. Then if you can see, I have written this oblique this, and we can write this and this and this. Why? Because both are correct. Why? Because these are the chromosomes that are present in the different stages of the cell cycle. You know the cell cycle. Different stages of the cell cycle. These chromosomes are present on the different stages of the cell cycle. In this double chromated chromosomes, this is called a double chromated chromosome, is present after the interphase, because you know in the S phase the duplication of the DNA takes place. So the copy of the single chromated chromosomes main. So this is called the double chromatid chromosome, and after the M phase, the division phase, it is divided into the and forms a single chromatid. So these are separated, both are separated, not joined. So these are the single chromatid. And these are double chromatid. Okay, these are the single chromatid and double chromatid. Both are the correct, but these are present at the different stages of the cell cycle. Okay, and after this, alleles also are the two contrasting forms. Then the alleles of a gene, a single gene, are present on the same locus of the homologous chromosomes. Same locus means what? First of all, you must understand about the term homologous chromosome. What are the homologous chromosomes? Homologous chromosomes are the chromosomes which are same. So first of all, in this the length is same. This one is the homolog 1 and second is the homolog 2. Homologous chromosome. In this, their length is same. Second, their centromere position is same, means this centromere position is same, and gene position is same, means the genes, the alleles are present on the same locus. Okay. Difference is the contrasting form of a gene are present. Contrasting form means, suppose gene for the color of flower has the two alleles. The red color allele is capital R and white color allele is small r. So these two alleles of a gene, single gene, are present on the same locus on this. So this small r cannot be present on this side. This is present in the same locus that is present in this chromosome. This is homolog 1. So the contrasting forms are present, but they are on the same locus. So this is the difference only in the homologous chromosome. And you can see this is the tallness allele and this is the dwarfness allele, but that are present on the same locus, but the allele are different. This is the tallness allele and this is the dwarfness allele. Okay. Then these two are called the non-allelic pair and these are the allelic pair. Okay. Then alleles of a gene are present on the same locus on the homologous chromosome of one pair. This is the one pair of homologous chromosome, and alleles are present on the same locus. Understand. Then if we take the example of this genotype, and so we can see in the genotype two alleles are present. This is the tallness representing allele and this is the dwarfness representing allele. So if we have to place it on this homolog, so how can we place? First of all, we know that this lobe and this lobe are always same, because at the time of duplication it is made and it is the copy of this. This is the copy of this. So both are same. So, and we also know the contrasting form are present on the different homolog but on the same locus. So this is it. Okay. So first allele, dominant allele or the tallest allele is present here, and the recessive allele or the dwarfness allele is present here. So, and these are the copies. We can also form this like this. Okay, so because this and this are same. Okay, so I hope you understood, and stay tuned for the next videos. And if you like the video, press the like button and share it, and do subscribe my channel Asma's Botany, and press the bell icon for the latest update. Thank you.